Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shannon if you're new here. Hello, hi, welcome. We are going to be making a garland for the new beautiful fireplace in our new home. I've been so excited for this moment, literally since June this year, knowing that we were going to be buying this house. All that has been going through my mind is Christmas. So I'm going to take you through step by step. If you've got any tips, then leave them below. But I'm just going to be taking this easy and kind of doing it in a idiot's only way because I've just never done it before. So we'll see what happens, but hopefully it turns out beautiful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video from me, and let's get into it. I'm going to take one of the trays and one of the wet floral foam bricks. They actually typically fit inside the tray quite nicely, but in order to keep the arrangement hydrated over the next few weeks, I want to be able to pour more water inside quite easily. What we're going to do is we're going to actually cut about 1 inch off of one end of the floral block, and then that's going to give us some room to play with when it comes to being able to pour water in and keep the flowers hydrated. I maybe could have actually gone with 1/2 inch cut here, so if you do this, maybe just take bits off until you're happy with how much room you've got to rehydrate. I'm then going to take some of this. This is the Oasis Floral Hobby tape. This is going to allow us to just tape the foam block into the tray and make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. I mean, we're not going to be trying to move this arrangement at all, but it's just, you know, nice to be sure that it's going to be safe and it's going to be kept in the right position throughout the next few weeks. I've got this double-sided Scotch tape. I'm going to cut a tiny little piece for each tray. That's going to just live underneath the bottom of the tray, and that's going to just keep it in place just a tiny little bit. Okay, they don't wiggle, so that's fantastic. Now let's soak the Oasis, so we need a little jug of water. I've actually done this wrong. So after I did all this, before I set them down, I was meant to soak each Oasis block. I'm going to do this and then we'll come back. If you're going to do this, soak your Oasis blocks before you put them in place. I have saturated the Oasis blocks as much as I possibly can. In terms of layering, I'm going to start with some of these Lalande style branches and just have them as like the sweeping branches that kind of like lay low out of the bottom, and then I'll do a bit of layering of both the laurel, I keep calling this laurel, I think this is laurel, but layering of the laurel and the fir tree. But yeah, I think that's what we're going to do, so let's just go in and do it. Enough talking, I'm just going to start layering and see where things go.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Oh my god, guys, that has taken me 22 minutes and I think I'm absolutely obsessed. What do you think? I haven't even used any of the laurel because I don't know, I tried it, I like placed it on top, but I thought it ended up being quite overpowering. I think it was, the leaves were too big and it was covering a lot of the, you know, this fine sort of detail on these branches. And then that random flower that I found at the front of my garden, I've just propped that all in the top just to cover the rest of the foam blocks. I think I'm obsessed. I genuinely think this is absolutely beautiful and cost me like £10 for 3 times 4, £12 it's cost me, £12. As I'm clearing through my Christmas boxes and putting them all away, I'm going to just have a look through, see if there's any really nice artificial branches that I've kept behind and see if any of them work. Actually, I've just spotted a hydrangea. Actually, it is really pretty. The white against the green is really nice. So I'll see what I can find, and I might have a little, you know, play around with it. But for the most part, I'm done with this. this. It took me 20 minutes of actual organising and arrangement. But yeah, I'm so happy with this. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you think I should put anything else in. I'm also thinking of maybe tying through some fairy string lights. I think that could also be a vibe. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Take care guys, bye-bye.
Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes.